Crash test ratings. Safety watchdog Global NCAP has awarded the sedan a 4
5 stars in adult as well as child safety. But not everything is so rosy. We'll tell you all about it in this video. In the next
cars for India crash tests. It is the first Hyundai model to receive such a high rating in nearly a decade of this program running. While the exact variant chosen for the tests hasn't been mentioned, Global NCAP has disclosed that this was a voluntary test requested by Hyundai. The Verna received 5 stars for adult occupant protection with a total score of 28.18 out of a maximum 34 points. As per the report, in the frontal impact test, the car provided good protection to drivers and passengers' head and neck, but only marginal protection for their knees, noting they could come into contact with dangerous structures behind the fascia. The footwell area as well as the body shell were rated unstable on impact, with the latter being noted as being incapable of withstanding further loadings. A 5-star rating was also awarded for child occupant protection, with the Verna scoring 42 points out of a maximum 49 in this department. The child seats for the 3-year-old as well as the 18-month-old were installed rearward facing and were noted to prevent head exposure during the frontal impact test, offering full protection. The report adds that there was full protection for the child occupants even in the side impact test. The sedan was also subjected to the side impact and side pole impact tests. In the side pole impact test, the presence of curtain airbags ensured good protection to the head and pelvis, marginal protection to the chest and adequate protection to the abdomen of the adult occupants. The car was then subjected to a dynamic test in which the performance of its electronic stability control system was deemed as acceptable.